What's good, YouTube? I'm coming at y'all with my second video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and let's get straight to it. So I got my boy Day Day in the chair, man. He just gonna get a simple low taper, nothing crazy. Haircuts like this usually take me like 30 to 35 minutes. I know some people telling me they struggle with the low tapers, and I used to kind of struggle with them too in the beginning, but as long as y'all keep putting in the same reps, man, y'all gonna get it eventually. Now, as y'all see, I did go with my lever open all the way. Now, with this clipper, even with my magic clips, I use every single notch just to get, the blend that I want. But with this haircut, I only did use 2 guards. I only used my half guard and my 1 guard. I didn't need a 1.5. So for certain haircuts, you might need a 1.5. Most of the time you do, but some haircuts you can get away with just the one open, just depending on the hair texture. So for my next guideline, I did go 1 guard close, and then I'm going 1 guard close with the grain just to clear up all the side. And then really I just go up with the 1 guard open all the way up, and then I blend my way down from there. Now I figured the key with this half guard is to, not use so much pressure when using this guard. You just want to flick and be very light when you're using this guard. I start with the 1 close, and then I go halfway. Sometimes I go open, just to get some little dark spots. But besides that, that's pretty much it on the taper. So pretty much all around, you're gonna debulk with a 1 guard close. I do that on the lineup, on the sides, on the back. I pretty much do that for everybody, I'm not gonna lie. And y'all probably wondering why I'm using a different clipper, but the main reason for that was just to show y'all that it don't matter what clipper you use, You don't gotta have the same clipper as everybody. You don't have to copy somebody's clipper just because you think that you're gonna get the same blend, because that's not the case. It's all wrist work. It don't matter what clipper I use, I'm gonna get the same blend pretty much. So sometimes I just switch clippers when I get bored of one, but yeah, man, the shit real simple. Now for the back, y'all did see I did use my lever close. I pretty much use lever close all the time, like I said in my last video. If y'all didn't watch that video, go check it out for me. Drop a like, drop a comment or whatever. But yeah, for the back, it's the same thing, just bigger guidelines. That's all it is. I went up with a 1 guard all the way up, and then I did go with my 1.5 on the back though, and just blend it into the top. As of now, we are at like 1,100 views on my last video and like 64 subscribers. So if y'all haven't subscribed, make sure y'all subscribe for me, please. I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year. I think that's very possible. I'm coming at y'all with another video next week too, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that one. So just to let y'all know more about me, I am a 19-year-old barber coming out of Pontiac, Michigan, 30 minutes from Detroit. Actually, the day y'all see this video, I'm turning 20. So really, 20-year-old barber, you know. And yeah, I just got big goals when it comes to this barbering and this YouTube shit. So make sure y'all stay tuned because I'm coming all type of content. Not just tutorials. Y'all will see some real life content as well. And yeah, man, it's up. You want to make sure you take your time when it comes to the lineups. I did speed the video up, so it looks like I'm going a lot faster, but I'm taking my time little by little, using my corners on the corner of my blade. And yeah, man, making sure that I get a nice crisp line before I spray any enhancements. Now, as y'all see, man, this is the finished product. Let me know how y'all feel about the haircut, man. Let me know anything, if y'all want me to make any different type of videos, any different type of haircuts, all that. Just let me know in the comment section, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon.